Bay Express train. The next stop is 34th Street Penn Station. Step all the way into the center of the train car. You can hold the level doors. Stand clear of the open doors.
Oh, that train. Why y'all going this train? Look at it. Look like Godzilla. Yeah. Godzilla, right?